Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss a question from class 11th Sociology chapter 1 Sociology and Society. The question is, discuss how there is greater give and take amongst disciplines today. Sociology is a branch of social science which includes anthropology, economics, political science and history. The give and take among these disciplines will be discussed in the following subheadings: sociology and economics, sociology and political science, sociology and history, sociology and anthropology. First, sociology and economics. Economics is the study of production and distribution of goods and services, and it deals with the interrelation of pure economic variables like price, demand and supply, flow of money, output and input ratios, etc. The sociological approach looks at the economic behavior in a broader context of social norms, values, practices, and interests. Sociology does not provide the technical solutions like economics, but asks questions and critically examines the assumptions on the basis of which various economic theories are based. Sociology provides clearer and more adequate understanding of social situations. Sociology and political science. Political science is the study of political theory and government administration. Political science is restricted to the study of the powers of formal organizations, whereas sociology studies all the aspects of societies and all the institutions in the society and their interrelatedness. Max Weber introduced politic sociology, which studies the political behavior. Sociology and history. History is the study of past, and sociologists are also interested in the contemporary and recent past. History studies the quantity details, whereas sociology is the abstract from concrete reality. History studies how the thing actually happened, whereas sociology focuses on the causal relationship. Sociology and psychology. Psychology can be defined as the science of behavior. It deals with the individual behavior including intelligence, learning, motivation, memory, nervous system, reaction time, hopes and fears, etc. Social psychology reduces the gap between psychology and sociology. Psychology is basically related with individual behavior, whereas sociology is related with the behavior of an individual in social groups. Sociology and anthropology. Both sociology and anthropology are social science focusing on the study of human behavior within their societies and are often considered as twin sisters. Social anthropology studies man as a social being and deals with the behavior of man in social situations. The basic difference is that anthropology is concerned with the past, whereas sociology is concerned with the present. The sociologist can easily manage with the second-hand information, but the anthropologist needs first-hand knowledge. Thank you. For more such content, subscribe to Intellify.